Ate, pwede ka po ma-interview? Yes, pwede. Ayun po yung camera natin. First, what's your name po and saan kayong department?
So, hello po. I am Joshie Calderon from Communication Department, Com 202.
Meron kaming question sa'yo. Who's your favorite teacher?
Ang favorite ko po na teacher is yung prof po namin sa Rizal, si Sir Abelardo Cortez. Kasi po, hindi lang po siya para nagtuturo for us to have knowledge, pero talaga sinashare niya po yung mga insights and life experiences niya wherein nakaka-inspire po talaga siya ng mga tao and students as well.
Yes, Lee. Thank you po!
I'm Anja Mendoza from Tourism Management.
Si Sir Hans, ang super entertaining ng mga learnings niya. And overall po, parang sobrang na-appreciate ko po siya.
Ay, tara, sino? Sino kaya, guys? Ay, ito.
Kuya, pwede ka ma-interview?
Pwede ka po? Yes, pwede yan, di ba?
I'm Jake Magnata po from Communication Department.
Wow.
Si Ma'am L po, yung broadcasting teacher na, prof namin.
Oh, why? Why siya?
Wala lang, gaan lang ng feeling pag nagtuturo siya and fun lang. Pero at the same time, natututunan pa rin.
Yes, thank you po! Hello, what's your name and from what department?
I'm Katrina Carrizo Emboldoza and I'm from Architecture Department. I have two favorite teachers and it's Architect Leana Marie Del Mundo and Archie Mojica. Kasi kay Archie Lay, she's fun to be with and mas when it comes to architecture stuff, mas mabilis siya i-approach for some question. And for Architect Mojica naman, mas comfortable ako magtanong sa kanya about technicalities when it comes to planning.
I see. Thank you po.
Hello, ate. Pwede ka po ma-interview?
Sige po, wala po akong choice.
What's your name and from what department?
Chastity po, accountancy. My favorite teacher is Attorney Kayabyab because she's very detailed when it comes to teaching oblicon and other law subjects. And actually, kapag nagsalita kasi siya, very professional and alam mong knowledgeable siya sa tinuturo niya.
Hello po! Pwede po kayo ma-interview?
I'm Sean.
So, who's your favorite teacher and why?
Yung favorite teacher ko wala na dito eh. But I would say, his name is Sir Vianney. Member siya ng faculty namin sa psychology. 2 consecutive terms namin siya naging teacher. And so, ang ganda lang ng foundation na papasok ka next term na meron kang familiar face na makakahalubilo for your majors. You know.
Thank you! Hello po ate! Pwede po kayo ma-interview?
I'm Alexa from BS Psychology po. Favorite ko si Doc Bondalian. We call him Doc Bonds. He treats us like his children talaga. Tas, since chemistry kasi ang subject namin sa kanya, we learned beyond, like, as a medtech din kasi siya. Yung tinuturo niya, like, siguro outside the classroom and then very in-depth yung pagturo niya sa mga lessons. So, ayun, natututo kami. And then, okay din yung humor niya na hindi ako nakakatulog sa class niya.
Thank you po!
Geraldine V. Gonzalez from Political Science Department. My favorite teacher is Sir Jesse Malibiran. He is our program sir because he helped us to become not only good student but to be a better.
Hey Kuya! What's your name and from what department?
My name is Marcus. I'm from BSA. I'm a second year student from Act 201. My favorite teacher, si Sir Cho, Sir Jerome Camacho. He's our professor for cost accounting and yung kasing way of teaching niya hindi lang yung tinuturuan kanya sa classroom pero he also makes sure na pagpasok mo ng classroom, maintindihan mo at uuwi kang alam mo yung lesson ninyo.